Hi, this is Brother Barnes. Let's talk about what I am expecting from you as you submit your Excel Density Lab report. This is a rubric so that you'll know how you will score, how your grade will be calculated. Number one, you're going to submit a single page. So just title it Excel Lab Report, last name, first initial, save it to the same title. That way when you submit it to Canvas for me, it'll be easy for me to sort along with the other participants in your lab. Remember that in the lab you will be collecting mass, height, width, and depth, and these will be unique for each person in each lab. They won't be exactly the same. So I'm not expecting you to copy this information and generate a lab report for me. I'm expecting you to utilize the information from your lab as you write your lab report personally. You'll get 20 points for the data and column titles. Here's the data, here are the column titles. 20 points for the volume formula and 20 points for the density formula. These are rather high. These are some of the highest portions as far as points go in this lab report, and the reason is that if you don't get these values correct, then you're not going to have the correct calculations. That's kind of important. So 20 points for the data, and then 20 points for the volume formula, 20 points for the density formula. This whole portion right up here will make up a grand total of 60. 10 points for the box plot, 10 points for the data analysis toolpack add-in, 10 points for the page title, and then also 10 points for standardized format. Notice that the column titles and numbers are Calibri 11. If you check these, you'll see that these are Calibri 11, just like the numbers are. Very good. Also notice that the title at the top of the chart is bold Calibri 14. Let's take a look at that real quick. Bold 14. So is this one. Bold 14. The Y and X axes are both Calibri 14. They are not bold. We are attempting to make beginning researchers, data collectors, and analyzers out of you. All of us together. We are on this journey together. Keep going.